So here's the opaleye, the fish with an eye every actress would kill for. As you can see from looking down right there, it is just like an opal that you would get from Ethiopia or Nicaragua. A nice black oval. Gorgeous color there. We're just gonna scale these up, get them ready for John to do a dry age.
Sashimi.
Oh yeah. The guys on Catalina where they have like 18 and 20 inch class opaleyes. I make ceviche out of them all the time. See how easy that was to scale compared to that black?
And the black looked like the hardest.
Yeah. The white wasn't too bad. Opaleye by far the easiest. Try to get some of these scales off up here so you can make soup or something. One thing you should mention to your viewers, John.
Yep.
How many of these things do you see when you're out diving around Southern California?
Schools.
When you say schools, try to estimate the number of opaleye and surf perch and sargos and half moons you've seen just out Southern California in your limited diving experience. How many do you think you might have seen? Give me a number that I could believe.
I've seen thousands of opaleye at this point, for sure. Just because every dive is at least 150 in schools. Sargo, that's the biggest school I've ever seen. Like when I was in Baja, I swam with them. Perch, they're just everywhere. What, black smelts or?
Oh, blacksmith?
Yeah, black smelts are everywhere too.
Oh yeah. I can personally guarantee you've seen millions and millions of blacksmiths, you've seen millions and millions of perch, and you've seen hundreds of thousands of sargos, if not more. Opaleye, 3 of the most common fish in Southern California. All sustainable, all totally harvestable, all very easy to find, readily available to all of us that live here. All you need is a fishing license and a piece of muscle on a number 6 hook. And you too could be eating delicious fish very easy.
Or grab a piece of steel and shoot it.
Oh yeah, that's true too. You don't need anything special to shoot these fish.
Then you can guarantee a big one.
Oh yeah. The good news is big ones of these aren't that hard to find.
This is like one of the smaller ones there. I just knew I might be coming over here, so I was like, I gotta get an opaleye.
Well, you're in the right place for them. There's plenty there.
So I know a lot of guys go from the anus opening forward. Why do you like to go to the gills to the?
That's probably just how I was taught.
Gotcha.
Feed that to the plants.
Like I said,
That is a garden that has just been planted right there.
Yeah, all these fish guts. You put the carp in there?
Yeah, the carp's already under there.
Nice.
You kind of want to grab them and go. The key is to break the collar, but you can go in. You can go out the mouth if you want. And make no mistake, you can cook this just the way it is right here. And hand that to one of the old timers, and they will pick all the bones and everything out of there and just take all the meat right off, and they'll just have a pile of bones on their plate when they're done. Just a little patch there, I think.
There we have it.
Black perch, white perch, I think, and opaleye.
All right, now let's go get cooking. All right, here we have an opaleye. A lot of times people use this for sashimi and poke, but we dry aged it because we just want to test out what that's like. That blood we'll probably want to remove just to make it taste a little bit better. But this is the fillet. I think that's where I poked it. Blew through that side. Not too much meat. I mean, this is all going to go into stock anyways, but we have our fillet here. Then we have our fillet with our bad shot onto the pole spear, so we'll cut that out. There we have it, our little opaleye, our little fillets. Just a little bit there. We can just put that. There we have it, our opaleye. All right, now is the moment of truth. We have our cooked opaleye. This one was 7 days in my fridge. I'm doing a little trash fish series, so this is a fish that generally should be eaten raw, or a lot of times they do it in kind of like a stew or a sauteed in a sauce, like a vinegary type sauce. But I just want to do this little taste test for myself just so I can understand what a cooked opaleye would taste like. So here's the moment of truth. Let's try it out. Smells good. Here's what it looks like. All right. Definitely it's not a lot of flavor. It's definitely on the mushier side. I don't really enjoy the texture that much. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. It's just that kind of fishy texture where like you can pretty much mush it all up with your tongue. You don't really have to chew it. And I kind of like the ability to chew a little bit my cooked fish. Compare this to the white perch. The white perch, hands down, is better cooked than the opaleye. I think I'm gonna stick to this guy, sashimi and poke. All right, well, we tried it. We have to try it. We're definitely gonna just turn this into a taco and hunker down and eat it. But if you go out there and you see an opaleye that you like, just definitely know you're gonna be eating it raw. All right, well, if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and that like button so we can do more of these in the future. And until next time, tight lines, everyone. See ya.